Guys, what's going on here?
Killing spiders.
Spider.
Oh, he popped.
You ever had roasted spider? Well, 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 would you look who it is? Mr. Do It With Dan himself, well, his truck at least.
Himself's not here.
Dan, paint the bed, homie. Come on, man. Ooh.
Jay got that gold up in this bitch.
The gold. Dan's truck looks so much bigger outside of a shop. It's got no bumper on it either. Bye, Dan, even though you're not here. Hi, Dan. Bye, Dan. Okay, so quick update for you guys before we jump into the video today. 1, yes, the grill's going on today. 2, yes, we have some other lights that are going on today. 3, new tires that should fit, better tires, have been ordered for the Tahoe. And 4, I don't remember what number 4 was, unfortunately. But the rest of it is awesome, so let's, just got home, I gotta walk the crazy ass dog. Apparently he chewed up these stairs today. The state, I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know, even though I'm gonna find out, I don't wanna know. But let me walk the dog real quick and then we'll throw this new grill on the Tahoe. I'm super excited. I haven't seen it in person and obviously you guys haven't either. So when I see it for the first time, you guys will see it for the first time and I'm pretty excited. So Tahoe Delete Mod starts today. All right, well, so you guys know we have the stock Tahoe grill on the truck right now with the plastic dipped bow tie. And today that is going bye-bye. Now it came chrome. Obviously we had somebody wrap it, so it's got this gloss black vinyl wrap on it. It does have a couple of imperfections on it. Here, some of the corners, this was wrapped with one solid piece of vinyl, which is really hard to do. Most companies are gonna do multiple pieces and do overlays, and it turned out pretty good, but you know, we've got different plans, so we're putting a new grill on today. And just like that, we've got the grill and the bumper off. Now, obviously we need to disconnect the grill from the bumper, which shouldn't be too bad. Looks like there's just a couple of clips down here that just come undone. But I think the easy part's over with. Getting the old grill and bumper off is the easy part. Getting the new one on, because it's aftermarket, you never know how it's gonna fit. It's probably gonna be the more interesting part, we'll put it that way. All right, we got the grill off. These little tabs here at the bottom, I'm glad I didn't film that part because these little tabs at the bottom are a pain in the ass to get off, so glad I didn't film that. But
oh, I'm in it.
The new grill is off. Look at that, look how cute she is. She's cute, don't let her fool you. She looks cute right now.
You don't.
Look how beautiful she looks. It's not about me.
You can't see me.
The video is titled "My Girlfriend Installs Her New Bumper," or new grill.
I'm not installing nothing.
Yeah, you are. Shh. Yeah, you are. Shh. The worst part about this whole process is the fact that there will be no more bow ties on the vehicle anymore. So upset. Where's the bow tie at? Well, until it gets wrapped, there will be no bow ties on the vehicle anymore.
Is there a way to like put it on there?
Hello. Put it on. I don't know. I have no idea.
Holes in that somewhere?
I've never even seen the new grill, so I have no idea. Moment of truth. We got the new grill.
It just comes out the top. It slides right on in.
Ooh.
It's upside down. Don't rip that.
I'm not.
Because I'm going to put this one in that.
Ooh.
Get that side stuck. Just have to fix it. It's dog hair. It's not scratched.
I think this is gonna look clean as hell.
Alright, let's put it on.
Already gloss black. Ooh.
Saint's hair all over it.
Dog hair all over it. Hell yeah. That's America right there. It's supposed to be something similar to it. So on top of adding a new grill to the Tahoe today, we're taking out the old factory, I guess halogen, orange, whatever the hell you would call them. Amber, you're right, thank you. Turn signals, and we're putting in these very high output, very well made, looks like, LED turn signal bulbs. I'm super excited. Pure white, going in the Tahoe today. That's gonna look pretty freaking awesome. So it'll give it a white turn signal, kind of like the truck has. Well, not now, because yes, kind of like the truck has. So for educational purposes, out with one, and in with the other. All right, here we go. Y'all see the difference? I like that. Yes, yes, that looks good. All right.
That's what it'll look like when I'm turning my turn signal on.
It looks good. It looks good. All right, now let's get back to the grill. Old, or I guess old one versus new one. I think it's gonna look good on the hoe over there. Well, I guess it's not a hoe anymore. Is it a hoe anymore? It's a Escahoe. Ta-da! I like it. What do you guys think? No more Tahoe. Yeah, let me make sure you guys know that everything we're doing to the Tahoe right now is temporary. There's a bigger plan. This is just filler.
We're doing something to the grill.
Yeah, we're everything is temporary. Literally everything that we've done within the last couple of weeks to my truck, this truck, everything is all temporary. There's a bigger plan in play. So just remember that. We're having fun. We're doing some new stuff. I think the new grill turned out really good. It's a lot cleaner than the other one was. The other one had a bunch going on. This one's pretty plain and simple. We are gonna try and add an emblem to this, so stay tuned. We will be adding an emblem. I don't know what or where. It's completely up to her, but we'll figure it out.
The grill is for sale. Who wants it?
This grill or that grill?
That one.
This grill.
I'm not
for
modding
sale.
this one. I'm modding the other one.
Oh, okay.
I just said that.
Oh, I was confused.
And you're talking about adding
But
an emblem.
we've got the full color match done though, or the full chrome delete. So there's no more chrome. Everything's gloss black. I've showed you guys before. We have the gloss black window trim delete. It's not chrome anymore. That makes sense. That's all done. The windows are completely black. I mean, even though it's tucked away in the garage and you guys can't really see it, chrome delete is gone. All the emblems are gone. There's no more remnants of it being a Tahoe anymore, unless, you know, actually there is a little bit of, there's a Chevy emblem in the lights. I just noticed that. Turn the, yeah, so you guys saw, I like these LED turn signals way better than the amber ones. These look really good. Huge shout out to, I don't even know who they're from. Who are they? Pro Tuning Lab. Last Fit does not make a bulb for that, from what I was told, or obviously we would have went with Last Fit, but a huge shout out to Pro Tuning Lab for making a bulb that fits.
Lighting Trends, if you make a bulb, hit us up.
Yeah, Lighting Trends, if you make a bulb, let us know. Come on, let us know so we can put one of those in there. Yeah, for those of you that know, what bulb can you put in here, or what kind of resistor can you put onto these to eliminate hyperflash? I have no idea. So
These were said to be.
Yeah, so these bulbs came from Pro Tuning. They were promoted and marketed as being hyperflash free, but they do have hyperflash. I don't know why that is, nothing against Pro Tuning, but they still have hyperflash.
They're really bright, I like them.
They're bright as hell, yeah, but they still do have hyperflash. I don't know what the deal with that is, but again, temporary. Everything is temporary. But I hope you guys really liked the grill. I think it turned out great. Definitely a new look for the Tahoe. Now it's time to do something with that bottom piece. I still got to get the fog lights wired in. We still got to put the wheel lights on. We got all kinds of crap that we still need to do to this, and new tires that we have on the way. So these, like I said in the last couple of videos, you guys need to stay tuned. We have something super awesome planned with a secret subscriber I've never met before from out of town. We got something planned, so you guys need to stay tuned for this weekend. Something's going down with these tires, and I'm super excited. If you're watching this video, you're the GOAT, because I'm really excited. We're gonna make something fun happen and make an awesome video.
On the Tahoe, but they don't fit.
Yeah, we had them on the Tahoe, but they don't fit. So we got some different tires, some better tires ordered yesterday that'll probably be here tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this, they might have gotten installed today. So you guys need to subscribe and come back tomorrow. So this is the question of the day. I pulled up to work this morning and immediately Bean goes, And I had no idea what he was talking about because I'd forgotten already, but what do you guys think of the...
They're cute.
Of the... Ashley, I love you. Ashley, I love you so much if you're watching this, but I don't think these... I don't know. I don't know if these are the move for my truck. I love you so much, and I put them on because I was really hoping they look good, but I mean... I'm just gonna leave it at that. But that and the LED, the lighting trends, color changing bulbs, they don't fit in this. Like I said in yesterday's video, the whole reason I got rid of these kind of headlights in the first place is because the lighting trends, color changing bulbs that she bought for me, they didn't fit. So that's why I got rid of them in the first place. And unfortunately, again, is the case, they don't fit. Now, don't get me wrong, are they really not turning on? Is it not dark enough? Well, don't get me wrong. These look really good when they're on, but I really don't think the black housings go with the scheme of.
No, because your thing is chrome.
This is chrome. This is chrome. It doesn't go, unfortunately.
Chrome is ugly.
It depends. And last quick little update for those of you that are thinking about running 4-inch wide spacers on your truck. I'm gonna recommend that you don't do that.
No, do it.
It looks really good, but I'm now cutting into my tires now. If you guys can see here, I'm cutting into the tires because of how wide my truck is. See?
That's because you can't turn.
Cutting into the tires.
You can't drive.
I'm too wide for my own truck. I used to be able to turn without scrubbing when I didn't have the spacers on, but now that I got the spacers on, I'm scrubbing, and that's not good. So I don't know how long these spacers are gonna last on the truck because I don't feel like tearing up, you know, $2,500 worth of tires. So
they look fine. Just learn how to drive.
Count the days that the spacers are on here. They might be gone soon.
Forever.
I know I got rid of the squat really soon, and a lot of you guys are really upset about that, and I'm sorry. The squat will make a comeback. Again, it's all temporary. It's all temporary. Stick with me. But the spacers might have to go soon. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, let's get this. Wow, you can't just dip on me while I'm trying to end the video off. Come on now. It's okay, I still love you. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking